Have you ever wondered how your body stores the blueprint of life for eye color, proteins, and more? The answer begins with tiny molecules called nucleotides. Nucleotides are the building blocks of nucleic acids like DNA and RNA, and together they store and transmit genetic information in every cell. Every protein and cellular component in your body is ultimately programmed by the sequence of nucleotides in DNA, like letters forming instructions for life. Beyond genetics, nucleotides also power metabolism and relay chemical signals that respond to hormones and external stimuli in cells. In this video, we'll break down what a nucleotide actually looks like, how they connect into DNA and RNA, and their vital roles inside cells. First, let's zoom into a single nucleotide and examine its three core parts, with clear labels and friendly 3D visuals for easy learning. A nucleotide has three parts: a phosphate group, a 5-carbon sugar, and a nitrogenous base. Each plays a specific structural role. The phosphate group is a small negatively charged unit that links nucleotides together, forming the backbone of nucleic acid strands. The sugar is a 5-carbon ring. In DNA, that sugar is deoxyribose. In RNA, it's ribose. That small difference affects structure and function. The nitrogenous base is the information carrier. Bases come in two families: purines with 2 rings and pyrimidines with 1 ring. Common bases are adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, and uracil. Thymine appears in DNA. Uracil replaces thymine in RNA. Nucleotides link through phosphodiester bonds between a sugar's 3' and the next phosphate's 5', creating a sugar-phosphate backbone. In DNA, 2 strands wind into a double helix. Bases pair across strands, adenine with thymine and guanine with cytosine, forming stable pairs. RNA usually exists as a single strand and uses uracil instead of thymine, allowing it to fold into diverse shapes for different jobs. During replication, DNA strands separate so enzymes can copy each strand, ensuring genetic information is passed to new cells accurately. Transcription copies DNA into messenger RNA, which then guides protein production. Nucleotides are central to both copying and translating information. Nucleotides do more than code genes. Adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, carries energy used by nearly every cellular process. Other nucleotides act as chemical signals. Cyclic AMP and similar molecules relay messages inside cells in response to external cues. Cells synthesize nucleotides through 2 routes: de novo pathways building them from scratch and salvage pathways recycling components efficiently. Nucleotides are also essential for DNA repair and checkpoints that maintain genetic stability and prevent harmful mutations from spreading. Because of these roles, nucleotide imbalance or damage can lead to disease, which is why researchers target nucleotide pathways in many therapies. Understanding nucleotide function helps explain everything from inherited traits to how medicines and cells respond to stress and infection. Quick recap: nucleotides are phosphate, sugar, and base. They link into DNA or RNA and serve structural, energetic, and signaling roles in cells. Think of nucleotides as letters in a code, battery cells for energy, and messenger tokens for signals. One set of building blocks, many jobs. If you remember the 3 parts and how they connect, you'll understand the basics of genetics, cellular chemistry, and much of modern molecular biology. To learn more, explore animations of replication and transcription, or try building sequences yourself to see how changes affect proteins and traits. Understanding nucleotides connects molecular detail to health, biotechnology, and medicine. Small molecules, enormous impact on life and science. Explore more videos in this channel to dive deeper into biochemistry, microbiology, and lab techniques. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.